Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we have completed our lesson 5th, Fun and Recreation, and hope you all have completed your copies. Today shall learn about lesson 6, Days We Celebrate. In this lesson, we'll learn about the days that we celebrate. Today we'll do reading of this lesson. India is a land of festivals. Festivals brings us joy and happiness. On festive days, we decorate our houses. We wear new clothes. We meet our friends and relatives. We greet each other and exchange gifts and sweets. We prepare and enjoy special food. Holi. Holi is a festival of colors. It falls in the month of February or March. People play with gulal and colored water. They sing and dance. Eid Ramzan. Eid marks the end of Ramadan, a month when Muslims fast throughout the day and eat only at night. People greet each other with Eid Mubarak. Dashera. Dashera is celebrated as a symbol of victory of God over evil. It is also known as Vijayadashmi. It falls in the month of September or October. Ramlila is staged in many states during of effigies of Ravan, Meghnad and Kumbhakarn is a special attraction. Diwali. Diwali is celebrated 20 days after Dashera in October or November. Earthen lamps, diyas and candles are lighted at night, so it is called the Festival of Lights. Crackers and fireworks are the special attractions of this festival. Be careful while bursting fireworks. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated every year on 25th December. It is celebrated as the birthday of Jesus Christ. People decorate Christmas tree with stars, bells and presents. Children wait for Santa Claus to bring gifts. Guru Parv. Guru Parv is celebrated as the birthday of Guru Nanak. It is celebrated in the month of November. Gurudwaras are decorated with lights. All rich and poor sit together for langar. Langar, common meal. Some other festivals. Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan falls in the month of August. It is the day when a sister ties Rakhi on the wrist of her brother. He promises to protect her. Janmashtami. Birth of Lord Krishna is celebrated as Janmashtami. It falls in the month of August or September. People keep fast on this day and offer prayers in temples at night. Onam. Onam is a great festival of Kerala. It falls in the month of August or September. People celebrate it in honor of King Mahabali. Dances and snake boat races are the main attractions. Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is a great festival of Maharashtra. It falls in the month of September. Lord Ganesh is worshipped as the god of wisdom. Durga Puja. Durga Puja is a great festival of West Bengal. It falls in the month of September or October. Ma Durga is worshipped as the goddess of power. Pongal. Pongal is the great festival of Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. It falls in the month of January. The sun is worshipped as god. Pongal or sweet rice is given to the cattle. Baisakhi. Baisakhi is a great harvest festival of Punjab. It falls in the month of April. People take out processions and perform the Bhangra dance to celebrate this festival. Navratri. Navratri is a great festival of Gujarat. It falls in the month of September or October. Goddesses Durga is worshipped. Dandiya and Garba dances are the special attractions.